In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively combine NotebookLM and Perplexity AI in 2025. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just exploring new ways to optimize your digital tools, these steps are designed to guide you through the integration process seamlessly. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Google. Once you're there, type Perplexity into the search bar. This will bring up a list of search results, and you should click on the Perplexity website link. This step is crucial because this is where you'll initiate the process of creating your prompt. Next comes the exciting part where you craft a prompt. For instance, imagine you're in the market for a new laptop and are torn between choosing a Mac or a Windows device. Type this query into the Perplexity interface. Once you've entered your question, go ahead and click the Submit button. This action will send your query into the system, where it will work its magic to generate insightful responses specifically tailored to your inquiry. After the AI has processed your request, you'll find an option to copy the results. Click on Copy. This ensures that all the generated insights and suggestions will be at your fingertips, ready for the next stage of the process, which involves bringing these insights into another powerful tool. Now, navigate over to the NotebookLM platform, an excellent space for compiling and reviewing your research. Once you're on the NotebookLM site, look for an option to create new content. Click on it to open a fresh workspace where you can organize and store the information you've just gathered. Having accessed your new workspace, the next step is to paste the copied text from Perplexity. Find the area in the NotebookLM interface where you're prompted to input or insert text, and click on it. This might be a straightforward text box or an insert menu, depending on the interface design updates. By inserting the text, you ensure that your fresh insights are neatly stored and ready for further exploration. With the information now in NotebookLM, it automatically generates a summary, giving you a condensed yet comprehensive overview of the information at hand. But that's not all. NotebookLM is designed to take you one step further. It offers the capability to delve deeper into your data by presenting you with follow-up questions. This feature is incredibly useful if you wish to explore your query from different angles or gather additional details that might influence your decision. And there you have it. You've successfully combined the analytical prowess of Perplexity AI with NotebookLM's organizational capabilities to enhance your research and decision-making process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide insightful and straightforward. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.